Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you fix Snapchat login error. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now, here we don't have to open the Snapchat app. What you have to do is open up a browser on your mobile device and type in Snapchat request form. Now from this one, tap on the first one. Now from this one, tap on the first. Now from this one, tap on the first result. And it is going to bring you to Snapchat and it is going to bring you to Snapchat support page. Now from the options here, you can tap on I can't access my account. And on the next one, tap on And on the next one, you can scroll down and tap on I see an error message when I log in. Now after this, chap now after this, Snapchat support is going to give you a list of things that you could do. So you can follow all the steps in here and all the suggested and all so you can follow all the steps here and all the suggested So you can follow all the steps here and all the suggestions and you should be okay. If nothing works, you can try to uninstall and install the Snapchat app again. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.